ওমানে বাংলাদেশের রাষ্ট্রদূত মিজানুর রহমানকে বিদায় সংবর্ধনা দিয়েছে বাংলাদেশ সোশ্যাল ক্লাব ওমান। ফোরকান মাহমুদ জানান, বাংলাদেশ দূতাবাস ওমানের মাননীয় রাষ্ট্রদূত মোহাম্মদ মিজানুর রহমান এবং তার সহধর্মিণী নিশাত রহমানকে ওমানস্থ বাংলাদেশ সোশ্যাল ক্লাবের পক্ষ থেকে বিদায় সংবর্ধনা দেওয়া হয়েছে। ওমানের রাজধানী মাস্কাট ইন্টারকন্টিনেন্টাল হোটেল জেব্রিনে অনুষ্ঠিত এ সংবর্ধনা অনুষ্ঠানে সভাপতিত্ব করেন সোশ্যাল ক্লাবের সভাপতি সিরাজুল হক। অনুষ্ঠানে গেস্ট অফ অনার হিসেবে ছিলেন ওমানের পররাষ্ট্র মন্ত্রণালয়ের মাননীয় সচিব শেখ খলিফা বিন আলী বিন ইসা আল হার্থি। এতে আরও উপস্থিত ছিলেন দূতাবাসের ডেপুটি হেড অফ মিশন মৌসুমী রহমান, কাউন্সিলর ও HOC নাহিদ ইসলাম, শ্রম কাউন্সিলর হুমায়ুন কবির, প্রথম সচিব রৌশন আরাপলি, ওমান গলফ এক্সচেঞ্জের CEO ইফতেকারুল হাসান চৌধুরী সহ ইন্ডিয়া, কোরিয়া, পাকিস্তানের রাষ্ট্রদূত। সুলতান কাবুস ইউনিভার্সিটির প্রফেসর সাদ আল মুকাদ্দাম, কর্নেল অবসরপ্রাপ্ত খামিস আল হামরি এবং বিভিন্ন কমিউনিটি, রাজনীতিক ও সামাজিক নেতৃবৃন্দ উপস্থিত ছিলেন। এ সময় সোশ্যাল ক্লাবের পক্ষ থেকে রাষ্ট্রদূত মোহাম্মদ মিজানুর রহমান এবং সহধর্মিণী নিশাত রহমানকে সম্মাননা ক্রেস্ট ও ফুলের তোড়া দিয়ে শুভেচ্ছা জানানো হয়।
The ambassador is here, and I met my friend, the former ambassador of Bangladesh to the UN, and he is now the secretary of the foreign ministry. Then I told the ambassador that if you have told me before that you are leaving, I could have said some word with your secretary and you could have stayed longer. But he told me after I came from Pakistan and after I met his secretary, so that was unfortunate. Oman-Bangladesh relations is excellent. We really, in Oman, we appreciate the contribution of you people here, the contribution of the Bangladeshi community in serving this country. Recently, I came to some figures that I think since the early 80s, 1980s until today, around 1.5 million Bangladeshi have worked in Oman.
Of community while also playing a vital role in maintaining the tradition and cultures of both Bangladesh and Oman. The chief guest for tonight, His Excellency Mr. Mijanur Rahman, has always been proficient and capable diplomat, having earned master degrees in physics from Dhaka University. Beginning as a foreign cadre officer of the 1985 batch, he has previously served as a diplomat in Colombo, Moscow, and Manchester. He was also the ambassador to the Netherlands, Canada, and Egypt. In the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, he has played a key role as the bilateral secretary and director of administration. Beginning his responsibilities in Oman in the year of 2020, his contribution in developing the diplomatic relations between Bangladesh and Oman has been remarkable. Even throughout the pandemic, his efforts did not diminish, and he has always led us on the path to the prosperity of our country. It's really unfortunate for us that he was leaving so soon. Goodbyes are difficult, but they are also an unavoidable part of life. A new chapter and a new adventure awaits you, and I wish you and your family enjoy even more success in this new journey. May it be filled with lots of joy.
Executive Committee members of our social club, respected dignitaries of Bangladesh community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and very good evening to you all. It's my privilege and honor to be here with you in this memorable gathering. Thanks to Almighty Allah for giving this opportunity. Today, we all are here to bid farewell to our respected Ambassador Mr. Mijanur Rahman and respected Madam Nishat Rahman. Since joining of His Excellency Mijanur Rahman, Sir has started in different way. Excellency traveled almost all the places wherever Bangladesh are residing in Oman, including Dibba, Bukha and Kasagari also. Excellency was trying to reach the commoners to know their actual needs and requirements. Excellency focused on trade and investment, relationship between the two countries. Excellency focused on changing the image of Bangladeshis in foreign land. I don't have the capacity to judge the activities and performance of an ambassador or diplomat, but I strongly believe His Excellency Mr. Mizanur Rahman is a successful official, joined as Assistant Secretary, and now he attained his highest official rank, Senior Secretary of Bangladesh Foreign Affairs, and leaving his last mission office with good health. I want to show a live example of successful diplomatic relationship of Excellency Mizanur Rahman. Today here we have the respected Under-Secretary of Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Oman in his farewell program, along with other respected ambassadors of our friendly countries.
My dear Excellencies of India, Pakistan, Korea, the President of the Social Club, and all my expatriates, brothers and sisters. It's a great honor for me, indeed, to be present here, and for this wonderful, I thank the Social Club for arranging this wonderful program. You know, after 59 years, as you may know, in our country we have to go into retirement. That is inevitable something. And this is, as our dear Khalifa bin Harthian, the Secretary, has said, that in diplomatic life, this is a thing which you cannot escape from. And when you are in a country and the relations become a bit closer, suddenly there is the time for you to leave. So this is something we live with. Yes, during my tenure I tried my best to improve the bilateral relation between the two countries, to improve the image of Bangladesh in Oman. That Bangladesh is, in addition to the source of skilled or unskilled manpower, is also a trading partner, and Bangladesh is a reliable trading partner with whom business can be done. During my tenure, as has been mentioned, we were able to organize